Our today's topic is Dmaic. It is a practical approach of Six Sigma. Actually, Dmaic is an acronym for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve and Control. Actually, in a company, the Six Sigma team has given certain promises to the top level management. These promises are about improved productivity, improved process capability, better customer satisfaction, and a complete defect-free environment. Actually, a complete defect-free environment guarantees all these things automatically. And that is why now at this stage, it is only appropriate to know what a defect is. We are talking about a defect-free environment and the customer satisfaction, the improved productivity, the improved process capability because of this defect-free environment. And at this stage, it is only natural that we actually understand what a defect is. You take any product, you take a pump, a mixer, a mobile, a bike, a razor, or even a tonic given to the kids. Related to any product, there are certain quality characteristics, and the customers have expectations about the quality characteristics related to these products. These quality characteristics may be performance, conformance, reliability, aesthetics, or durability, whatever. But they have expectations about these quality characteristics related to the product, and these quality characteristics, if they are up to their expectations, then the customer gets satisfied. The company understands these quality characteristics or these expectations, and they translate these expectations into the needs. I'm talking about needs, not wants. They understand the true needs about the quality characteristics related to the product by the customer. Now these true needs are translated into specifications related to that quality characteristics. And now, if the readings about these quality characteristics, they fall into the specification limits, then the customer gets satisfied. And if they are outside or the outsiders are called as defect. And we want to get everything within the specification limits so that our defects will be restricted to 3.4 parts per million, and that is something we need to achieve, and that is something the Six Sigma team has actually promised to the top level management. Now that we have understood what a defect is, let us go further in relation to Dmaic. As I said, Dmaic is an acronym for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve and Control. There is one more term, that is DMADV. But this term is related to the new designs. This term is related to the new products which are to be launched in the market. The processes are new, the design is new, and the approach is DMADV. But Dmaic is related to the existing products of the company, existing processes in the company, and that is why right now let us concentrate on Dmaic. The first step is define. The second step is measure. The third step is analyze. The fourth step is improve. And the fifth step is control. In define, what we do is we define everything. We actually try to find out the causes of the problem, and some problems could be easily fixed, some problems could need breakthrough solutions, and only those problems have to be selected which have the greatest impact on customer satisfaction. Those problems are selected, the solutions of which will create a great revenue to the company, a great profitability to the company. It has to be aligned with the policy of the company. See, we are making business and the high profitability has to be maintained, great revenues are to be created, and this should be aimed by the Six Sigma team, and that is why the kind of problems are selected, the solutions of which will guarantee a customer satisfaction. So these kind of problems are selected, they are selected and converted into measurable terms. Try to understand one thing, it is always better and convenient to deal with the numbers, and that is why they are defined and they are translated into measurable terms. To do all this, we could definitely take help of certain quality tools like chi-square method or regression analysis. At this stage, the first step is over and that was define. The second step is actually measure. Here everything is measured, everything is quantified. The CTQs, critical to quality parameters, are found out. These CTQs are actually classified in a way of their multiple sigma values. DPUs are found out, that is defects per unit in parts per million. Here the goal right now and the defects in achieving it is found out in measurable terms, and that is why this phase is called as measure. The next step is analyze. In analyze step, we use benchmarking, we use brainstorming, we use Pareto analysis, we also use cause effect analysis or cause effect diagram of Ishikawa. Here we try to find out where do we stand, where are we in terms of our process capability, what is our goal right now and how far we are achieving it. Everything we analyze, and here we try to make benchmarking. We try to follow the best in the business company and their processes and their procedures. We study them, we find out the gap between us and them and try to set a new goal in relation to what the best in the business people are doing. There is nothing wrong in imitating. Why invent a wheel when it is already been invented? Is the simple strategy. We can certainly imitate which is available as the best and the best in the business people are making. So the new goal is set according to or on the basis of this gap analysis by brainstorming, by Pareto analysis, and here we actually make cause and effect diagram, and accordingly we try to find out, we try to analyze where do we stand and why do we stand there in terms of process capability analysis, and where do we want to go and how we could go there. This could be fixed in terms of eliminating the causes of the problem. Here we analyze and make a plan to improve our quality to the greatest extent. At this stage, we go for the next step, and that is improvement. Improve. Here all ducks are in a row. We have analyzed, we have a definite plan, we have a quality plan which has a definite start and definite end. Here we are aware of the quality variables and their impact on the CTQs. Here we are in a position to use the problem solving tool so as to eliminate the causes of the problem, to eliminate the potentials of the problem. Here we are actually acting on them by using the problem solving tool. And here we measure our output. We try to find out our improved output, to what extent we have improved, and this improvement stage is finished. After this, we go for the next step, and that is control. In control step, what we do is we try to actually hold our gains. We try to freeze the new improved processes. Actually, when we are dealing with main, machine and material, main is the most important factor, and if we do not hold the gains, if we do not freeze the improved processes, the people have a habit to go back to their original ways of doing the things, and the gains which we have made out of all this could be vanished. And that is why in a control stage, we try to hold the gain, we try to freeze the improved processes, we avoid people going back to their original habits and try to hold the gains. Here, the Dmaic methodology has come to an end. Thank you very much.
If you find this video knowledgeable, like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, comments or queries about this video, please write them into the comment section below.